My name is Alex Cecilia. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to adjust windows in InDesign. So here I have pasted my artist biography, and some of the problems you can come across when you're typing, writing anything in InDesign is this little plus key or image here, which means that you have filled your text box to the point where it can't show any more text. So the easiest way to fix this is to just make sure that this little arrow icon appears and just drag it out until it's gone pretty much. And that little red arrow is going to be your marker for letting you know if you've typed too much and you need to adjust the size. And it doesn't really matter if you adjust the size with a paragraph style, because it'll always adjust according to what you've selected. And that should never really be a problem. And so there you have adjusting your windows, and you can do it diagonally. You can turn it. You can pretty much do just about anything. You can even type on a path if you have a path, window path. But yeah, like I said, easiest way. Just make sure that you, and also make sure that your selection tool is selected, because otherwise it won't adjust. My name is Alex, and this is how you adjust windows in InDesign. Thank you.